Welcome to Go Permissionless. I'm Simon Elias, and we're on a mission creating world-class crypto native information for entrepreneurs, traditional finance, and property investors alike. But on today's show, we've got some fantastic content to be had. We've got looking at Bitcoin's price and seeing what's happening out there at the moment, looking at why Bitcoin's overtaken 58,000 public companies out there, but also looking at why Bitcoin is growing faster than the internet. Yes, you did hear that right, faster than the internet in terms of adoption. We're also going to be looking at why Bitcoin is going from a $2.5 trillion market cap to 100 trillion. Let's do it. Hi guys, welcome back to the show. Much appreciated for coming and dropping by. We've got some fantastic news on the show today. So I'm just going to show you what's been happening out there. And I think it's only fair to have a look at the price of Bitcoin at the moment. So I don't know about you, but I'm pretty much logging in every single day to my Ledger device and CoinGecko, and just really seeing what's happening on the price of the coins out there, especially Bitcoin at the moment. So let's have a look at what's been going on. 54,142. If you look at the max on the Bitcoin graph there, you can kind of see we're kind of really at the highest point here. I had a couple of conversations with people the other day, and people were saying, you know, should I buy in now? As always with Bitcoin, for me, it's buying at any time. Obviously, you want to buy a lower market, but it looks like we're sort of breaking through now. Yeah, I think possibly the next step could be 60,000, but who knows? But if you look at the last, that's the max level. Let's look at the last 3 months. You can see a bit of a choppy ride, but actually it's maintained itself quite well. People, there was speculation of a big drop happening, and it hasn't really happened. I think with all the institution money that's coming in, I think actually it's here to stay, we hope. So let's see what happens. But let's go through last month, maintaining 54,000 hereabouts. But yeah, I think it's going to be breaking through again, and I think we could be looking at 60,000. But do me a favor, let me know what your thoughts are below. Like, share, comment, all the usual stuff on YouTube. Let us know your thoughts. But if we look at the last 24 hours, really interesting. We had a bit of a drop going on here, but I seriously think we're definitely in a sort of momentum to go to the next level. But again, do let us know your thoughts on Bitcoin and what's happening out there. Just a quick overview about my rest of my portfolio. So as I said to you on previous programs, my main coins are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and I do some other altcoins as well, which is like Near Protocol I'm into at the moment, which is looking quite good. But just to give you an overview, when you look at the last 7 days along all these coins in my portfolio, you can kind of get an idea of really what's kind of happening. Things are looking fairly healthy, certainly on Bitcoin. Chainlink had a good sort of 7-day performance, up and down, a bit choppy, but still looking good. So yeah, things are looking okay. I'm just checking out on Python Network. That was something that I was looking into as well. I'm not sure if you guys have invested into Python Network. Definitely worth a review on for sure. So yeah, things are looking good on that side of things. This came up in the news. I read this, which I thought was really super interesting. I'm not sure if anyone has seen this yet, but apparently Bitcoin has overtaken 58,000 public companies out there, which is absolutely insane. Well, it says 58,000 public companies and assets in the world. Only 8 milestones stand in our way before Bitcoin claims its rightful title as the world's most valuable asset. We'll have some of that. I thought it was fantastic. And if you look at the image here, Bitcoin is now 9th on the table. I almost had to sort of jump back and sort of laugh to myself and think, is that really happening? Is Bitcoin really in the top 10 of assets in the world? But it is. I mean, we're just below silver, which is absolutely insane. So yeah, you can see the top market cap is gold, followed by Microsoft, followed by Apple, followed by the lovely NVIDIA, which is performing extremely well. Just out of interest, has anyone got any NVIDIA shares? had some for quite a while now, but yeah, drop your comments below. Let us know. Have you bought into NVIDIA because of the AI hype? Alphabet in 5th, Saudi Aramco in, sorry, Alphabet in 5th, Saudi Aramco in 6th, Amazon 7th. Thought Amazon would be top 3 by now. Silver 8th, and then obviously Bitcoin 9, and Meta 10th position. It's really interesting. Let me know your thoughts on that. Was that a kind of surprise to people watching this? Because it really surprised me. We'll come on to market caps in a minute, because it's interesting to look at what the market caps are running at, especially for gold, 16.28, which kind of links me into my next image here from our guys at Milk Road. I read this earlier on over the weekend, and it states that they believe crypto will reach 10+ trillion market cap in the next 12 to 18 months. I don't think it's going to be far off from that. If you go back to the market cap on this screen, you can see market cap at the moment is 1.382. So it's really interesting when you look at this graph here, and this is a time level stamp here. You're going from 2015 to 2029. And if you go up the graph here, you can see Bitcoin kind of looking at breaking out. Well, I guess the base case is 40. So you have to excuse my eyesight, it's not very good. 46 trillion. With a bull case of up to 180 trillion, which is just absolutely insane. It really is. And this just gives you really good sort of level of where Bitcoin's going, basically, in relation to the years ahead of us. Excuse me, guys. Cough is still there, unfortunately. Another news, I read this on Dan Held on LinkedIn, which is a fantastic guy to follow. If you're not following him already, his name's Dan Held. Absolutely guru when it comes to Bitcoin. Really knows his stuff as well about what's happening out there. But he posted this, which I thought was mega interesting. And it's looking at Bitcoin adoption versus internet adoption. And if you look at internet adoption, which is in the gray, you can see from 2014, and obviously Bitcoin adoption's in the black or gray, lighter gray, darker gray. So just to clarify that, Bitcoin is in the darker one and internet adoption is in the lighter gray. So if you look at the adoption metrics on this, it's unbelievable. You're looking at Bitcoin heavily sort of taking a fast-paced run against the internet adoption, which kind of alludes to the fact that Bitcoin is really becoming mainstream, but also is attracting mass adoption, whether it be institutions, retail, just the mass adoption, is huge, absolutely huge. Again, leave your comments below. Let me know your thoughts on that. I thought it was a really good thing to kind of share with you guys, but also get your thoughts on that as well. Really short video today, guys. Just wanted to get that information out there. So let us know your thoughts and comments. And most importantly, let me just stop sharing there. Most importantly, please kindly like, share, hit the bell notification at the top of the screen as well. It'd be really good to get that sorted out so we can get some more content. And eventually what I'm trying to do is get some more sponsors to come on the channel and actually start sponsoring us. So yeah, I hope you like hanging out with me. Hope you like the information, and I'll be back every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So speak to you soon, guys. And thanks so much for stopping by.